Hello, this is Allie Smith, and I'm going to be doing a little walkthrough, a little tutorial on this really cool app that I found called SlidesGo. And this is basically an app that you use to create presentations, but they have already really detailed templates and examples of presentations that I think could really help. It could be used as a study tool. You can look up presentations on lots of different information, or you can download themes for your slides, like this one. It's called Minimalist Business Slides, and it's like themes. So the font and the colors and stuff are already all picked out, and you can download it and use it. Like if I hit download, you can download to Google Slides, PowerPoint, or Canva. Maybe I want to download it to Google Slides. So you hit make a copy, and boom, I have these minimalist business slides now, and I can say weather in Brazil if I wanted to create a presentation on the weather in Brazil, and I could be like temperature right here and give a little forecast. And you can even find ones, let's see, do they have a weather forecast set up? They do. Weather forecast, you see, there's different themes that you can use. Now the really cool tool that I thought, being able to download is really cool, being able to use it in your Google Slides, because that's what I like to use. If you use Canva to create a presentation, you've got to learn how to work Canva, but on this one you could just download it straight to your Google Slides. There's really cool graphics that you can have on there. Charts and such. The really cool tool that I think could be awesome if it was used correctly is this AI presentation maker. So let's say I want to make a presentation about weather in, let's do Australia as my place. You can select a tone that you want it to write in. So let's do creative. In language, you can pick a language, so English, and a number of slides. I think I want mine to be pretty short, so 5 slides. And let's see. I like things to be colorful. This seems like weathery, right? So let's generate the presentation. Oh, okay, so you can't actually do 5 slides. Let's do 7. So it's generating my presentation. And it created a fun title for me. So Down Under Delights. That's funny. And let's get Zoom going. And now this didn't create a weather forecast, but we can just edit what we put in. Weather forecast for Australia. Generate. And it'll redirect us. And like any AI tool, the more information you give it, the more specific it's going to come out with. So this is going to give us specific information on Australia, which I would not recommend doing. I don't think that that's the best use for this tool. What I think is a really cool use for this tool is creating templates with your AI. So if I just put in weather forecast template, it's going to come up with something more general that I can input my own ideas into, but it's just going to get me started. So you see it gives you fun pictures, and it gives, you see the words that it have are not as specific to what I'm doing, but it gives you pictures and a nice layout. And I thought that that was really cool that you could create a more specific slide deck by using AI. So thanks for watching.